Hi guys, I am back with another video, and this is going to be an unboxing of my practice hands that I got, and it of course comes from Glamour Liz. You can see I already opened it, but I did take the hand out because I was just anxious, but I didn't open anything else, you know, so we're just gonna get to it. So this is of course her logo, and you can shop her at glamourliz.com, and we're gonna go ahead and get to, so this is the little card. I'm gonna go ahead and open it, and this is, you know, a little thank you, and read her card. Oh, how sweet. So she gave me little purse. Okay, and she gave me some striping tape, her logo stickers, some other stickers, some roses ones. Says always listen to your heartbeat, even though it's on your left side, it's always right. Oh, that is sweet. There are some foil. I got is the card, and she says tag me please. Oh girl, yes, I'm gonna tag you. Everybody's gonna tag you after they see this hand. Everybody's gonna tag you, girl. Use it. So this is everything telling you about the hand and the clamp. I'm gonna do that on my own time and read that. They have the soak off method and all of that good stuff. You can pause, you know, if you wanna, you know, read that on your own time. All right, y'all, let's get to the good part. Let me tell you, y'all are gonna gag. Y'all are going to gag. Do you see this? My gosh. Look at this hand. Look at this. Baby, they have veins. Let's get up closer so you guys can see the detail. She does this by herself. Okay, let's flip it over. Look at the details. Do you see that? That is freaking gorgeous. And okay, you guys, I had to put some gloves on because my hands are greasy. I don't know where I was, but I think I said she makes fingers and everything. And she does have a socket in here, and I'm going to pull a socket out for you guys to see. And they come in 4 colors because there's one that's unpainted, and then she has Liz that is painted, and then she has Naomi, and then there's Beyonce, and I have Beyonce. And she, you know, has clamps and all of that good stuff or whatever. But the hand is posable. Look at that. Look at that. Girl. Look at that. And I think she molds her hand. I'm not sure. I think she molds her hand. Look at that. She can do it all. She can stand it up and all of that good stuff. And I love the little ring that she has on here. It looks like a real hand. I'm still, girl. This lady is talented. Look at this. She just doesn't know what she started. Anyways, we're gonna move on to what else is in the package. And ooh, she's these are like, you know, odd nails, the C-curve tips, full-size stiletto tips that you stick in there. She also sent me some gel, sent me more foil. Is this foil? She also sent me more foil. And more nail tips, just different ones. She gave me some sample ones. She also sent these. Ooh, and I have so many glitters that I just bought. I have so many, so thank you, because I can add these into some of my glitters. So that's perfect. And these are, this is angel foil. So she gave me gold, and that's perfect because I love gold. And this is the clam that comes with it. See? Stick it on in there. Stick it on in there. Hold up. Okay, you guys, I had the hardest time trying to get it on the stand, but here's, you know, you can just stick it right on in. And the sockets is what she was saying, that they go real deep. That's why I said that. That's why I put gloves on, y'all. Look, it's already sticking, but it's okay. This part that the nail goes into, it goes all the way up here. These are how the nails look, you know, without it. You just slip it in just like that. I mean, it's just gorgeous. It is kind of hard putting the hand inside of that little socket, but if you have a man in the house, just have him come and push that in. If you're looking at this video, you have already seen me do a few sets on this nail, or you've seen pictures on my Instagram, and this is the hand. Okay, that's it, you guys. You're never gonna run across a hand like this. Oops, it fell off. But you're never gonna come across a hand like this. This is the most realistic you're gonna get. And this is a small business. You definitely want to support her. Yeah, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. I just don't know what else to say, but yes, you guys, I look forward to great moments with her. She wants us to do the unboxing, so I'll come back with a review. I'll give myself maybe a month or two, or maybe a month, and then I'll give you guys a review. You know, I'll soak the nails off, I will file, I will use all type of tips, I will use, if there's primer, I have to go back and look through. But if there's primer, you know, all the good stuff. But I just wanted to show you guys that you're not gonna come across anything better. Okay, you guys? Bye-bye.